Morning, everybody. I'm Tracy Cardello. If the holidays hijacked your meal plan like they did mine, then you'll want to check out my new EFT tapping video on controlling cravings. You can see it on YouTube or on my website or on my Facebook page. I hope that you'll check it out and get back on track with me. Welcome back. So today we're going to work on cravings, and we're going to start with the setup statement, even if I have this craving. Now remember, the more specific you make this to yourself, the more effective it's going to be. So if your craving is specifically for sugar or for potato chips or whatever it is, you can use that and make it much more specific and personal to yourself. We're going to be general. So we're going to start with the setup statement. Even if I have this craving, I deeply and completely love myself. Even if I have this craving, I deeply and completely love myself. Even if I have this craving, I love and accept myself unconditionally. Good. And now go to the top of your head. And your eyebrows and the bridge of your nose, the outside corners of your eyes, underneath your eyes, underneath your nose, your chin, your collarbones. Rub the sore spot on the chest wall. Go underneath your arms and at the bottom of your ribs, and then the outside corner of each fingernail. Don't forget your thumbs. Good. Now do the top of your hand in between your ring finger and pinky. Close your eyes. Think about a snapshot that really encapsulates the worst part of the problem. Now open your eyes. Now look down hard to one side. While still tapping, look down to the other side. Roll your eyes around smoothly in a circle a couple of times and go back the opposite direction. And now hum a few bars of your favorite little song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Count to 100 by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And a little more humming or singing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good. Go back and finish off by doing all your points again. Just noticing whatever's left and whatever comes up next. And take a deep breath. Let the energy settle. Maybe take a drink of water. Remember that the more specific you make this, the more effective it's going to be. Any points that are a little tender or sore, you're going to want to linger on a little while longer. And if your craving doesn't go down to a 0 when you rate it on a scale of 0 to 10, go through the entire sequence again. You might find a new aspect coming up, like even if I have this craving when I go into the break room at work, then you want to work on that specifically. So the more tapping you do, the more effective it is at lowering your overall stress and helping you achieve your goals. So I hope that you'll keep tapping, and I hope that you'll keep checking in to see my videos and my websites. Thanks. Have a great day.